most creative troll out there. No one can tell you otherwise.
What about Nepo?
Nepo can leave.
But I don't want to leave. No, probably still want to.
Anyone else? Oh. Angry.
This is for Solix. How many bees do you currently own?
Ooh. I stopped counting after 2000. But, you know.
So I have a question for Solitaire and Peppery.
Just a reminder, this is E.
This is now shipping questions. Just given your current weird relationship, how do you think your ancestors would feel about this triangle love?
Hey. This is the fury.
Specifically, more like kind of psionic that thing as a Durascar.
Durascar's best.
Well, I think that